Let's see how to block useless WP HTTP request. After installing HTTP Requests Manager plugin, navigate to Tools, HTTP Request Manager page. Check requests. So you see some error and some theme request. Let's see what it is. It's new theme, page time, request time, and request, response. So you can see that it's new theme, sending testing API connection from site health. You can see here as well site health. So now let's block this request. We don't use it. We don't want our WordPress send any requests there. So navigate to settings page, check that you have operation mode smart block mode, and we will add custom rule for smart block. So we want block domain and select domain API themeisol.com. Everywhere action block save changes. So we have our custom rule defined. If we want to test it, we will go to site health. Yeah, we see here that it cannot connect to API with red error and red error here. If we go to HTTP Requests Manager and check report, we will see that this themeisol request from new theme is blocked now. If you want to block unused request from your website, go and download HTTP Requests Manager plugin. It's free plugin, and you can block any request that you don't want on your WordPress website.